Hey, what's going on? Today we are going to change all the fluids in this, from the front diff to the engine, air filter, grease everything. You know, just do it a good maintenance because I do kind of beat on this thing. Good old friends at Rocky Mountain sent us this box, and friends and sent us. I paid full price and then they sent it to us. Also, my sponsorship with DeWalt, I pay full price and they give me the tools, and it's been working out great. Anyway, we will go step by step on which one I'm doing and go from there, and I will keep it as short as possible but as informative. Here's Chevy Boy. Okay, we're down under here. Getting to this drain bolt. Oh, finger on the camera, sorry. This tripod's like, spray a little parts cleaner on the drain plug. If we can see those. Not to touch. Sand gets everywhere. Let's look up in there. It looks clean. Get our 6mm here. And break it. Plug, and let's well, that was bad. She's dark. Definitely time. Okay, we'll let that drain. Alright, got this oil change kit here. I usually just buy enough for everything, but I figured I would just try one of these kits. It's got full quart, and another full quart. Box was a little squished. This is what I was kind of excited about. Not this one-handed stuff, but comes with a new copper O-ring, or not O-ring, but a washer. And down in here there is a filter, which I'm going to show you here. Turn on this light. It's clear back. I don't know, let's see if we can right at the edge of my finger right there, which then in turn leaks oil all down the front of your engine and down onto the pan. Is awesome. I've found that if you stuff a whole bunch of absorbent rags in there, works to get it out the best. But I'm going to take the seat and everything out. I figure if you're changing your own oil on your RZR, you probably know how to get the seat out. I put it up on stands because it's a little easier to get underneath it. But other than that, I will get some stuff together here and we'll get that oil filter off. Alright, I think you can see it, but it's right here. Clean it off a little so you can kind of see what I'm working at, but right here, get my towels here. Stuff underneath. Here, don't carry. Do that. Stuff. Two of them underneath here, and I'm gonna just go super slow and not make a mess everywhere because it'll drain all over everything and everywhere you park it in after this, because I did it the first time and it was a mistake. But I'll crack it loose here and see what happens. We're gonna need a filter wrench. Jeez, do I have one small enough? Yep. Okay, let's just get it cracked. There. Kind of nice having a light on a camera because it holds a light for me. Oh, geez, I must have had that on there a little tight. You know what? I think I might just spin it off as fast as I can and get it out of there and see what happens instead of trying to let it drain. Let's try that. Let you know how that works. Alright. That didn't seem to be too terrible. Oh, I'm gonna grab some towels though. Get it before it goes all the way. If anybody knows if they sell or make or have an oil filter relocation for these, that would be awesome. Guess you could figure out the threads and see if you can find an automotive one. Maybe I could dig into that and see, because this is dumb. Put an oil filter on the side of an engine. Great thinking. But all in all, I did not nearly spill as much as I did the first time. That first time, it was dumping oil out of the skid plate for a week. That seemed to do the trick. Just get rags and hurry and pull that bad boy out quick. Got a little bit, but now let's get some oil on that new filter and get it on there. I did put a little oil on the O-ring, I just did not show it. Oil on my finger. Let's get this and snug it up. The right way, left it loose here. Let's give her go. Okay. There's more oil running down here. Oh, yeah, there's some down there on the. And I guess I didn't get it as good as I thought. It's. Oh, I guess I did. Oh, yeah, that's oil. Yeah, dumb design. That didn't work as planned, but it did work better.
I forgot to turn the radio down in this clip, so we'll go ahead and do a voiceover. I'm just going to explain that I noticed when I was putting that oil filter on that it was a different size. Double checked in the kit, it says it'll fit. Double checked online, it says it'll fit. But the oil filter that I pull off here that I will show the model number is a different size. But we'll see what happens. I just kind of snug the oil drain plug and then I will retorque it. That is all. I will try to keep the radio down from now on. Sorry.
Well, foot-pounds. I have to go track down my torque wrench. Now there. There we go. Okay, and that's that from underneath here. I'm gonna leave this pan here just because there's oil that is on the ground. I'll go up top and fill it. All right, 2.5 quarts. I really do enjoy all those guys that can pour that oil without spilling it, but I've already spilled enough oil today, so we're gonna go ahead and use a funnel. I guess I could turn on this light, probably help. Yeah. Sorry, I'm new to all this filming and crap. Oh boy. Let's put in more oil. There we go. There's 2. And here comes the half. And then we'll give her a start. You can hear that in the background. Sorry, it is the garage heater. Half in here. I'll leave her about right there. Check it. Alright, let's check it. Let's clean it off first. Don't want that going in there. A bit of sand. Get a new towel. Oh geez, camera all over the place. I'll edit that probably. Dump her in. Let's see there. She is. Looks like just. Let's see, let's turn this light off. That don't help either. But it's just right about halfway in the safe spot. I will definitely check it again here in a little bit. But that seems good to me, and clean that off a little more. Sand in the engine's always wonderful. Okay,